Hello students, today we are going to discuss a very important chemical reaction of alkanes, which is halogenation of alkanes. We will cover the reaction and its mechanism. So let's start. Halogenation of alkanes is basically a substitution reaction. Substitution reactions are the reactions in which an atom or group of atom is replaced by another atom or group of atom. Now consider the example of chlorination of methane. You can see in the picture this is a methane molecule. Okay, a hydrogen atom which is attached directly to the carbon is replaced by chlorine atom, giving you a molecule of methyl chloride, and this hydrogen which is removed reacts with this chlorine to form HCl. So this reaction is a type of substitution reaction. Now we will discuss the mechanism of this chlorination of methane in detail. For mechanism, this mechanism involves free radical mechanism. It has 3 steps. The first step is called a chain initiation step. In this step, actually free radicals are formed from chlorine molecules. This chlorine molecule will split homolytically to produce 2 chlorine free radicals. Now the next step is called a chain propagation step. In this chain propagation step, what happens is this chlorine free radical which is generated in step number 1 goes and attacks on carbon hydrogen bond in methane. Now carbon hydrogen bond then breaks homolytically and 2 free radicals are formed. This hydrogen free radical then combines with this chlorine free radical to form HCl molecule, and methyl free radical is free. This free methyl free radical again goes and attacks on chlorine molecule. It again breaks it homolytically to produce 2 Cl free radicals. 1 Cl free radical will react with this CH3 free radical to produce CH3Cl, and this Cl free radical will be free. These two steps 2A and 2B are repeated over and over again. Now in the next step, which is step number 3, it is called a chain termination step. As the name suggests, the chain will be terminated. Okay, so what happens? Any 2 free radicals combine together to form neutral molecules, and this is how the chain will be terminated. So this free radical mechanism will be followed by methane when it reacts with chlorine, and it will give methyl chloride as the main product. This was the mechanism for chlorination of methane. Thank you.